What's up, guys, and welcome back. If you are building a solar power system and want to squeeze every single drop of energy from your panels, having the right management setup is everything. Today on Tech Product, we are looking at the best MPPT Solar Charge Controller to help you truly maximize your renewable energy. Let's get started. Taking a closer look at the MPPT Solar Charge Controller Tracer ANG3 series, this unit sets an incredibly high standard for modern solar energy management. When you invest time and money into solar panels, you want to make sure you are capturing all the electricity they produce. This controller is designed precisely for that purpose, acting as the intelligent brain of your entire solar setup. It ensures that the power coming from your roof or portable panels is safely and efficiently converted into usable energy for your home, cabin, or recreational vehicle. One of the absolute standout features of the MPPT Solar Charge Controller is its use of rapid and precise MPPT technology. If you are familiar with older solar setups, you might know about traditional PWM controllers. By utilizing this advanced MPPT system, the controller can actually generate up to 30% more power than those older PWM models. This is a massive upgrade because it means you get significantly more usable electricity out of the exact same solar panels. It constantly tracks the maximum power point of your solar array, adjusting on the fly to changing weather conditions, passing clouds, and the changing angle of the sun throughout the day. This intelligent tracking ensures your system is always operating at peak performance. Another huge benefit of this specific model is its impressive voltage handling. The MPPT Solar Charge Controller is carefully designed to handle a maximum open-circuit voltage of 100 volts. This high voltage capacity is incredibly useful because it makes the controller perfectly compatible with larger solar panels that are typically intended for on-grid applications. You can string multiple panels together in a series to reach that higher voltage, which actually helps reduce the size of the wiring you need and makes your overall installation much easier and far more efficient. Of course, knowing what your system is doing is just as important as how well it performs. That is why the MPPT Solar Charge Controller features a bright and clear multifunction LCD display built right into the front of the unit. This high-quality LCD screen provides a vivid overview of your entire system status and gives you real-time energy statistics. You do not have to guess if your panels are working or if your batteries are full. With just a quick glance, you can see exactly how much power is coming in, how much is going out, and the current health of your entire setup. It takes all the guesswork out of off-grid living. Flexibility is another major strength of the MPPT Solar Charge Controller. Every solar project is different, and battery technology is always changing. Thankfully, this controller supports both traditional lead-acid batteries and modern lithium-ion batteries. Whether you are using an affordable older battery bank or investing in the latest lightweight lithium tech, this unit can handle it perfectly. Even more impressively, it is totally unique in its ability to operate in a no-battery mode. This means in certain setups, you can actually power loads directly from the sun without even having a battery connected, giving you incredible versatility for unique specialized applications. When it comes to efficiency, the numbers here are truly spectacular. The MPPT Solar Charge Controller boasts a tracking efficiency of above 99.5%, along with exceptionally high conversion rates. This simply means that almost zero power is lost in the translation between your solar panels and your batteries. Every ray of sunshine is carefully captured, converted, and stored with absolute maximum efficiency, ensuring your solar array performs at its absolute peak potential from sunrise to sunset. For the advanced users out there who love data and smart home integration, this controller has you covered. It includes the standard Modbus protocol and an RS-485 interface. This allows for incredibly easy communication and monitoring within much larger energy management systems. You can connect it to external monitors, computers, or network systems to track your power generation over time and fully integrate it into a complex smart home environment. Finally, we have to talk about safety because dealing with high-power electricity requires serious protection. MPPT has built intelligent safety protocols into this device, including a high-temperature derating function. If the controller ever gets too hot during the peak of summer, instead of completely shutting down or breaking, it will safely lower its output to cool itself off. It also includes fully configurable load modes to prevent system strain during extreme conditions. You can program exactly when your connected devices turn on or off, protecting your batteries from being drained too deeply. This provides a professional-grade and highly reliable solution for your energy needs. Don't let your valuable solar power go to waste. Check the price link in the description to get yours today. Like and subscribe to Tech Product for more awesome gear videos. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.